In this lesson, we'll examine the major sustainability challenges that businesses face across different industries. These challenges are interconnected, and addressing them requires innovative leadership and a long-term vision. One of the most pressing global challenges is climate change. The energy sector is heavily affected as companies like BP and Shell face increasing pressure to reduce their carbon emissions. Transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources is not only complex but also costly, requiring significant investment in new technologies. However, companies that fail to address these challenges risk losing their social license to operate. For example, the fashion industry faces equally significant challenges, particularly in the area of labour ethics and supply chain transparency. Fast fashion brands like Zara and H&M are often criticised for exploitative labour practices in their supply chains. Ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions for factory workers, especially in developing countries, remains a major challenge. Companies need to adopt fair trade principles and engage in responsible sourcing to improve their sustainability. The food and beverage industry also faces complex sustainability challenges, particularly around resource management. Nestlé, for example, has been scrutinised for its water usage in areas affected by drought. In addition to water, food companies must consider the environmental impact of their supply chains, including deforestation, land degradation, and carbon emissions. Sustainable sourcing and production are crucial to mitigate these challenges. Across industries, businesses must balance short-term profitability with long-term sustainability goals. One of the biggest challenges is the trade-off between economic growth and environmental protection. Companies that prioritise short-term gains may deplete natural resources or contribute to environmental degradation, which ultimately harms both society and the economy. However, there are also opportunities. Businesses that adopt sustainable practices like reducing emissions or ensuring ethical labour can improve their reputation, attract investment, and create long-term value for their stakeholders. Many companies are realising that sustainability is not just a cost but a business opportunity. In the next lesson, we will look at the broader societal impact of these business challenges and the role of responsible leadership in addressing them.